So you see, so it can hold this fire for like 15 minutes or 20 minutes or to 20 up to 25 minutes. So you can use this thing to start your charcoal fire. You can also use this thing to start your fire during rainy season. You know that most of things during rainy season, because of regular water supply, so some charcoals will be wet, some firewood will be wet. So when you have this one, you have no problem during rainy season. You can use this thing to start your fire. So this is how it will work. This is how it works.